Sup dude, so this is the Janks channel, Devin from the Janks channel again. Yeah, today I'm gonna teach you how to make clay slime. So first of all, you need already some clay. You need clay that you need clay that pokes because you want it to be satisfying. So I want to make that today. So first I started with I started with a tiny piece because you're gonna test it. If it fails, your clay is gonna be wasteful and you're gonna waste money. So we need lotion right here, and we're just gonna pour in like this much, I guess, and you're just gonna tip every side of that, like every side. Completely even. Now you just want to fold it until the lotion becomes very even instead of normally even. I want to knead it. Yeah. I can see it became very, very smooth looking. Look at that. I want you to see. Because clay is not normally stretchy, look. It just breaks. So that's why we needed a test to see. I mean, it kind of works. Added a bit more lotion to it, so I added this much. Oh shoot, it got lotion on my hands. Okay, anyway, it's probably gonna work or it's a fail. I agree with the work, maybe not. By the way, this is... Ugh. Looks gooey. Because it is gooey, I mean... Not to comment. So there's lotion on the floor, so, So as you can see, it's starting to form into shape, I guess. Now you got the small piece. You want to put it inside. You want to put it inside the big clay. Right now it's gonna. Now you gotta, just squeeze it and stuff. Now, since you got the test up, you gotta grab your lotion and put. Let's just go with this much. This much. Oh, perfectly nailed. So, I don't know if this is gonna work, guys. Probably it's not gonna work. Oh, splattered all over. Probably, yeah. Yeah, let's just try to knead it. So it can become actual slime. I'm trying my hardest to... All I just gave is scent. That's all I just gave. Oh, it actually kind of works. Maybe I'll try to put more lotion. Like that much. Ooh. More lotion. Ugh. Gross. Oh, jeez. Yeah. I'll try to poke and fold evenly. Yeah, I'll see you later when you do it. Yeah. So, I'm done kneading it. So I actually figured out it actually kind of worked. Like, it's just that when it gets the form of long, it's gonna, yeah, you can see, it's basically like kinetic sand, but instead, like that. Yeah, basically, I don't know how many lotion we need, but I'll try my best. I'll try my best not to fail. Cause all of these fail videos. Oh, damn it. all these fail videos are really bad. But anyways, I'll try my best. Just like that. Ah. Ew. Oh. Whoa. Not at all. At least lotion is good for skin. I'm rubbing all my skin. Lotion is not good for clay. So what? I'm just gonna rub it all over my body because it's good for your skin. I mean, why not? Shoot. Turn the play back. I mean, it is quite a feel, but it's. Oh, the only. Well, I just gave a scent. Should I try putting water in it? I'll try to put this in water, so I'll try. It's gonna be stretchy. Yeah. Alright, so I went there to the sink to get some water, but instead I got this. The same thing. All I did was just make it more sticky. I mean, that is, well, kind of slime, but still though. I mean, I made the poking better, but all I just did is make it sticky, not, you know. I added more lotion, by the way. Alright, anyways. That's all I got. Yeah, this is a fail video. Anyways, you're watching Jank's channel. Peace out.